Hello, welcome to this year's Rapid Response Team's annual meeting. We're excited you're here and ready to get cooking. I'm Travis Goodman.
And I'm Lisa Joseph. We are the technical leads for the RRT program, and like Americans in quarantine, making their favorite pandemic beverage, we've whipped up quite the agenda for you this year.
That's right. We're back for our second C2C meeting this year, presenting you with the RRT's recipe for response success.
We know that as seasoned professionals, you have what it takes to protect public health through quick follow-up actions, speedy laboratory analysis, and effective information sharing. And we are ready to hear all about it.
Our 3-day meeting is jammed with innovative response approaches, the latest outbreak response success stories, and programmatic updates. We've even managed to sandwich in some fun.
The RRTs have really measured up these last 14 years since getting started way back in 2008. Spoon will be meeting for our 2021 RRT Annual Meeting with 24 RRTs. That includes 3 voluntary RRTs who are developing and maintaining their teams outside of the RRT Cooperative Agreement track. It's possible that we even have future RRTs participating in this very meeting.
Like the flavors in a slowly cooked stew, the multiple agencies and disciplines in the RRT program have worked together to really complement one another during outbreak response.
I'm going to guess that you're probably at the edge of your seat, wondering what sort of fun we've cooked up for you this year. If you were one of the first 500 registrants, you'll be receiving a packet of meeting materials. But don't dig into your snacks right away, because you'll need them to determine how in tune your palate really is.
I do not believe we will have any problem with that, Lisa. With the meeting being virtual, our planning committee worked hard to bring you only the best content, but our agenda is jam-packed. You'll find printed materials that tie directly to the topics you'll hear about in your packet, in case you want to marinate on those topics a little longer.
You'll also find a word search in your packet that, once successfully completed, will reveal what Travis and I think is the recipe for response success. In addition, you'll receive a bracket to complete for Munchie Madness. You can find the initial poll on Pathable already in the voting tab. This will help us to determine the sweet or savory 16.
But you'll have to be 5 minutes early to the sessions in order to participate in the continuing polls that will determine snack of all stacks. Also on Pathable, you'll find each RRT with their own page in the virtual poster session. You'll find some new recipes to try and learn about each team's recipe for response success, which helps them achieve the ultimate program goal of minimizing the time from agency notification until implementation of effective control measures.
The team page is also where you will find team photos and hear audio files about posters. After you've had a chance to review these posters, team photos, and recipes, you can vote for your favorite under the voting tab. Voting closes at 5 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, December 15th, and the winner will be announced at the meeting wrap-up session the next day, December 16th. There may even be prizes involved.
That's right. Speaking of prizes, you probably also noticed the photo contest information in your welcome email. You can enter into each of 8 categories to earn points toward the leaderboard, but I wouldn't bother entering in the crazy sock contest. I think I've got that one covered with my bacon and egg socks.
You can submit your photos to the SurveyMonkey link, which you will find on the meeting page dashboard and in the welcome email. But get those entries in quick because they are due by noon on the Monday before the meeting starts.
We strongly recommend you whet your appetite by joining us for one of the 4 offered test sessions, either on Friday, December 10th or Monday, December 13th, to be sure you have the best possible experience. You can also explore the Pathable page while you're logged in and earn some points toward the leaderboard.
That's exactly right, Travis. As you attend sessions, answer polls, and otherwise engage in the virtual meeting platform, you will earn points, which are displayed on the leaderboard under the Team Building Game tab. Feel free to challenge your colleagues to a little friendly competition. The first question might even relate to this video.
So without further ado, we want to welcome you to the 2021 RRT Annual Meeting. Whether you're an epidemiologist, laboratorian, or a human and animal food regulator, At the federal, state, or local level, we have content that's applicable to you and our shared food protection work.
We hope that you'll use the utensils provided in your welcome kit, in presentations, and on the virtual platform to identify actions for you to take back to your kitchen to improve your own recipe for response success. I'm confident that you will find this experience educational and productive. And of course, we hope you have a great time. See you right back here live on December 14th.